Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add heart-shaped background to your video in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to the effect menu and then you're going to choose the body effect, and in this body effect you need to go to the popular effect, and here you will find the heart shaped background. This one, the effect is called Love Burst, and you need to download this effect first before you apply it, and after you have downloaded this effect you can apply it to your video. Okay, and this is for the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add this heart-shaped background to our video in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!